Stuffed peppers are not only a tasty and aromatic dish, but also very bright and colorful. Today I'm going to show you an unusual recipe of capsicum stuffed with grinded meat, rice and buckwheat combination. This is my mom's recipe. Sure you will love this. Hello foodies, welcome to Rishika recipes. Today's special stuffed capsicum. First we'll wash and soak 150 grams of rice and 50 grams of buckwheat. In fact, only rice is added to this recipe, but my mother always cooks with buckwheat, which makes this food even tastier. This is my mom's recipe. If you don't find buckwheat, then add 200 grams of rice. Now take 3 medium-sized onions and cut into very small cubes. From this amount of onion, 1 onion will go for the soup and the other 2 for capsicum filling. After chopping the onion, leave a little on the plate for the soup, the rest add to the bowl. Now take 8 to 10 cloves of garlic and chop finely. After chopping, add them to onion. Now take small bunch of coriander and chop finely. From this, keep small portion aside. The rest add to the onion bowl. Next, take large size potato and cut into slice. Don't cut too thin. Now take washed capsicum, make a round cut on the top and remove the seeds. After cleaning all the capsicum, take the rice, drain the water and add to the onion bowl. Now to the same bowl, add 300 grams of lamb keema and 2 tablespoons of tomato sauce or paste. Add salt to taste, half teaspoon of red chilli powder, half teaspoon of coriander powder, half teaspoon of cumin seeds powder, half teaspoon of black pepper powder and 2 tablespoons of oil. Now mix all the ingredients well. The amount of ingredients which I mentioned here will be enough to fill 8 medium-sized capsicums. Now take the capsicum and stuff with prepared filling. You can use hand or spoon according to convenient. Don't fill till the top. Leave 1 cm space. When rice cooked, this space will fill up. Now add 3/4 tablespoons of water in each capsicum. This water will make the rice juicier. Now the peppers are ready to go for boiling. Now let's start cooking the soup. Take 3 tablespoons of oil in a bowl. When the oil heats up, add chopped onion and fry. When onion changing the color, add 1 tablespoon of ginger garlic paste. Stir and add 2 tablespoons of tomato sauce or paste and continue to fry. You can find the tomato paste recipe link in the description below. Now place the potato pieces on top and fry on both sides for about 10-15 seconds. Now place the capsicum on top of the potato. Now pour the water 1 cm below the capsicum level. Add salt to taste. When water starts to bubble, cover the bowl with the lid, keep the gas in low flame and continue to boil for 40 to 45 minutes. After 45 minutes, our beautiful stuffed capsicum are ready. Add chopped coriander and turn off the gas. Now take out the peppers on a plate and serve hot along with the soup. It's important that the capsicum in the soup are cooked very slowly. Then the soup will be very clear and transparent and the peppers will not burst. If you pour water to the top or if capsicum fell down, stuffing will come out while boiling. So choose the capsicum which has even base. Stuffed peppers are not only a tasty and aromatic dish but also very bright and colorful. That's why it's often found on the festive table menu. However, stuffed peppers are an irreplaceable dish for those housewives who just want to feed their families well. I want to cut and show how beautifully and juicy our capsicum cooked inside. Rice and buckwheat were not overcooked. They both turned out beautiful and very tasty. Try this, really you will enjoy.